Hey, hello everyone. Let's look at primitive data types in JavaScript. I already opened VS Code and created this file testprimitive.js. I added a multi-line command. Here we can see JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, which means when we declare a variable, we don't need to enter whether it is integer or string like in Java. It is determined by the value they hold. For example, if the variable is holding the value of 10 means it will know the data type is number. Okay. Yeah. In JavaScript, we have five different primitive data types. First one is number, second one is string, third one is Boolean, true or false. Next one is null, and the final one is undefined. Let's see each of these one by one. And here, even though it is a number, we cannot differentiate it is like a int or a double. Okay. And in JavaScript, we have a function named or method named typeof. With that, we can find which data type the variable is holding. Okay. Let's look at number. Let me declare a variable that a is equal to 10. Okay, console.log. Now I need to type this function type of. Okay, type of a. Now the data type of a will be written in the output. Okay, let me run this. This run button is coming because of code runner extension. If you don't have, please install that. Okay. Okay, we can see right now the data type of this a is number. Fine. Let me change that to a decimal and see. Let's say a is holding 10.2. Still, it will show it as a number only. Okay, because JavaScript does not differentiate between integer and decimal, sorry, double. So even though it is a number or even though it is a integer or double like in other programming languages, here it will take the data type as number. Okay, so the next one is string. Let me add one more, like let v is equal to test. I'm adding a string in three double quotes, console.log type of b. Okay, that's a string. Now let's look at the output. So we should see like first one is number and next one is string. Yeah, right, number and string. We clear the output, close the output. Okay, so yeah, the third one is boolean, right? Boolean. So let me declare one more variable. Let c is equal to true. Okay. Usually for flags, we will add a flag, right? Let's say c flag is equal to true. And yeah, let's print the same in the output console.log type of method type of c flag. Sorry. Right. Let's run this. Okay, it shows the c flags is a it's a data type of boolean. Okay, so the next one is null. Let b is equal to null and yeah, console.log type of b. Okay. Now, what is the data type of this null? Let's see in the output. It should show as object because null is considered as an object. It's not a direct data type, it is considered as an object. Okay. The final one is undefined. Okay. So let me define a variable e. Okay. Declare a variable console.log. I didn't assign any value. Okay. So when I try to look at the type of this variable, let's see what's the output. Output should be undefined. Okay. See, because I did not define this variable, just I declared it, so it is undefined. And also, you can give it like this, undefined. This is also acceptable, right? Both will give the same result, even though you didn't declare, or if you define it like undefined. I mean, if you initialize it like undefined, it will return the data type as undefined only, right? This is what we call it as a dynamically typed language. All these primitive data types, right? We don't need to declare it uh, like a number or boolean like that. Based on the value itself, the way it will be determined, the data type of the variables. Okay, yeah, I think you are good. Thanks.